this video we're going over how to unlock your iPhone so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you want to do is go to the phone app and go to the dialer or the keypad and type in *#06#. That's going to show you your IMEI. You're going to need to write down that number and we're going to use it later on in the video. Dismiss that, go home and go to Safari. And we're going to go to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and fill out a few prompts about your phone. First is going to be manufacturer, which is Apple. And the model is going to be the iPhone 11. Click Unlock Now. Here you're going to answer a few more questions. So the country you purchased the phone in, as well as the carrier you bought it with, which is T-Mobile. Okay, in this final step, you're going to need to input that IMEI that we got in the first step of the video, your full name, your delivery email address, and your phone number, and make sure you type all the information carefully. You don't want to miss out on those messages after. This is what it will cost to get your iPhone unlocked. You always get a discount through their website, and this is the average turnaround time, but most people say it takes about 2 days to get a response with your email. From here, you're going to click Order Now, check out with a credit card, and at that point, you're going to wait to get your email from the unlocking company, and that's going to have the final unlocking steps, and in some cases, an unlocking PIN. Now, the process to unlock these phones does vary from time to time, so you'll want to wait until you get that email for the final instructions. When that email does come through, you will need to take out your SIM card. So make sure you grab your SIM card tool that should be in the box of your iPhone. In the SIM card tray, you're just going to take the SIM tool, pop out the SIM card, and you'll just need to put in the new SIM card of the phone carrier that you want to use it for. After that, follow the rest of the steps in the email and you will be good to go to get your phone unlocked. If you have any issues, go back to the website. There is a live chat you can join to ask questions, and there is a phone number you can call to get over the phone support. The great thing about this website is it is 100% legit, and they have a 100% money back guarantee in the event you're not able to get your phone unlocked. So it is a win-win. So we'll leave a link in the description below of the website. Hope you guys did find this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Thanks again for watching. Take care and have a good one.